Tininga.
Cook no. Your daddy is good cook. So, umuulan na mga kachika. Lumakas yung ulan. Doing up there? Changing, getting ready. Wow. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Kaya pala so noisy upstairs. Dalaginding na aking alina na oy. What are you cooking? Sa? Lisa? What are you cooking? Hi, 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 hi. Hi, Alisa. Too busy cooking. Alas 12 na pala mga kachika. Ko, ayos ako kay alis kami. Okay na? Ituan ko sila. Ay, 12:15 na pala. We are twinning today. Look.
And the pants.
And the pants.
And
brown.
the hair tie. And the hair.
Oh, twinning for today.
Tininga.
Okay, let's take ito pala. Dito ko siya nilagay mga kachika sa may harap. Pero actually, meron na din akong nag-start na din yung aking ganito. Ayan, mamumulaklak na din siya. I got more flowers coming. On the way, this one. And same with this one. Okay.
Oh, you got brown boots.
I got? Did I get one?
You got brown boots.
Look, they get their candy cane.
Candy cane. Horses.
Mm-hmm.
The penguins. Tick.
Igloo.
Oh, let's something. There's some holes on it. On it.
Huh? Okay, tara.
Let's go. Fairy's gonna see big people.
Big people.
Fairy, the zoo fairy gonna see big people.
Mm-hmm. Okay, tara.
Fairy's gonna see up there. People come to drop here everywhere.
May dala-dala pala kaming baon. Yogurt at saka yung sandwich. Yung tirang sandwich nila yan. Kahapon nagpunta kami ng John Lugis. Hindi na kinain. No? Isang slice lang kinain. Meron pang 3 slices. Sayang naman. Mahal pa naman yan. Sorry, amak.
Teenage people not here. The boys. Because it's going to be a university now. Yeah.
Hey!
You went, not
Yeah,
me.
hi.
Yeah, you.
I went to the party and then
Yeah.
we took them in there.
That's right.
Mm-hmm. And then the next one was we went for watch the pantomime. And we're walking.
That's what I gotta do too. I gotta. The cave thing. That's how it goes. This. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Again, get this clean.
stuffing. Yeah.
Let it there for a bit.
Look at the pot now.
Yeah.
Burning.
That's it. That's it.
Nag-ano kami mga kachika. Ayan. Pork. Tapos binalik ni Mr. yung ano, yung balat dyan para mag-crispy. Gravy.
Just microwave the gravy and broccoli. So.
Stop this in, so.
Huh?
Stop this.
Oh yeah. At least I'll expect that crispy.
Yeah.
She'll expect it. Huh? She'll tell you if it's not right. She'll tell you if it's not right.
Yung ulo ko. Ngabing da,
And
nakagawan sa balat.
and that. That and that. Haha.
Good thing daddy can cook, no? Your daddy is good cook. Daddy good cook, babe? Yeah?
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, Tom. Jenny.
Call that one, babe?
Octopus.
Octopus legs. Kasi mahaba mga kachika, di ba? Kaya tinatawag nila octopus legs.
I could
No, hindi nyo dito po use pork, babe.
enjoy that. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, nice. Stuff.
No.
Parsnips, stuffing. Thank you, daddy.
You got cauliflower, yeah?
Country.
Give me a small plate for that. I'll get more plates.
Yeah. Kain tayo mga kachika. Yan yung akin. Gusto ko yung mga ganyan-ganyan. Taba-taba. And yan naman kay Mr.
Annie.
I did already show that earlier.
Annie.
Lisa. Lena. Yan tayo mga kachika. It's only 5, 10, 12 ng gabi. Kasi alis kami after dito kaya nagahan namin.
Yes.
Cheers! Cheers tadi.
Yeah. Look.
Cheers.
Yeah. Annie. And Daddy.
Oh yeah.
And me.
Cheers. Okay.
Yummy. Gamat din ito yung stuffing.
Very hot.
Stuffing.
Huh?
Meat. Yung ginagawa. What did you put in your stuffing, Dani?
No.
Meat.
Sausage meat,
Sausage meat.
onions,
Onions.
sage,
Okay.
bread.
And bread.
Yeah.
Bread crumbs.
No, I just chopped it up.
Ah, did you?
An egg.
Good na.
Very good. I just put it together.
Good,
Boom,
good,
boom, boom, boom.
Good.
Sarap. Wala akong lunch eh.
Very good.
Yeah.
Split the next day through this. Cold stuffing. Very good.
Ang ingay.
Huh?
I hear the sound. Nakita ko yung yung memories ko sa Facebook, mga kachika ba na 3 years ago today, we was at the airport. Kasi nag-stay kami ng one night ng airport kasi the next day.
Oh, you've already departure.
No, the next day.
Oh,
Our departure. We stayed there overnight at the
of
airport.
course you did.
What?
Oh, yeah, that hotel, right? Yeah.
Airport what?
Couldn't find it that way.
Yeah. We lost it. We get lost.
Didn't lose it.
We get lost.
No, didn't lose it. We couldn't find it. Couldn't find the hotel.
What hotel?
Where we stayed before we went to the Philippines. 3 years ago, Tagalaga today.
Did I come?
November 30.
Oh.
When we went to the Philippines, ba? We stayed in a hotel.
Okay, then.
How was it there?
But
Like it?
Yeah, it's too much.
Christmas tree. Look on this. And I see the stopping thing. The jump on it. Oh yeah, I remember those. And Christmas tree. Oh, the Christmas tree. Look at that beautiful.
Right, you want to start here?
Are we gonna walk?
Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Wow, let's just stand up there. Wow, they make it.
Can you start there?
Wow.
Can I pull in here somewhere? Yes.
The roses.
Daddy will be looking for us.
We're drowned. Huh? Take a picture.
Yeah. Okay, come on out here. Take a photo here.
Let's go.
Yes, here.
Let's go inside. Let's go in there. And you walk around the boat. See. Stay up there.
The best day ever.
Best day.
Nung ano lang to Bay of Lights pala yung tawag nila dito, mga kachika. Noong ano lang to, kailan ba to? When was that thing they put Friday night, Bino? We put the lights on Friday night.
Lights?
Yeah, Friday night when there's a fireworks display.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Friday night. I remember now. Something time. Don't stop.
Careful.
Careful.
Yeah, be very careful. Oh, look, they have.
Storm time. Storm time.
You're not? Yes, I do.
Okay. Okay, get off na dah. Kami na. Bisa. Tidak kau firework.
Aha.
Dali na sa.
Oh yeah, I'm going to help you.
Okay,
Sorry.
it's gonna fall off this thing.
No, it's not there. It's fine. It's fine. Dito na kami. Yan.
Mama, look.
Yeah, that's a light we see from the house, no?
Yeah.
Oh, that light. Medyo quiet na ngayon kasi, oh, not really quiet naman kasi over that side naman maraming mga tao-tao kung saan yung mga ano, yung mga lights ba.
I'll open.
So, umuulan na mga kachika. Lumakas yung ulan.
I can sit down.
Oh, your lips is blue. That's enough, not me.
Can I sit in? But the ducks live here.
Yeah.
They live here.
Yeah.
In the lake.
Oh, yeah, ducks down there.
Mhm.
They should be asleep now.
Lapit lang to sa dati kong work mga kachika. Diyan lang, oh. Dito mga 2 minutes walk lang. Nandoon. Yeah. Where I used to work.
Uh-huh.
Not used to live.
That's just
Mm. Oh, it's nice from here. Oh, ganda pala from here. All the lights.